Today's video is going to be a little fitness vlog. I really want to start doing these like 3 times a week on this channel. Okay, that's forcing it. Maybe like twice a week on this channel, where I just take you guys along with me, like what I'm eating, what I'm doing, everything like that. We're in my office right now, by the way. If you guys want to see, oh my gosh, they are cleaning the windows. Do you hear this? If you guys want to see like more stuff with home decor and my life and everything, make sure to subscribe to Molly's Life, which is my other channel. Okay guys, so here is my breakfast this morning. I decided to do a vanilla bean yogurt with some strawberry granola and then a ton of apple slices. This is so good. Normally I have this as a dessert, but since I didn't have much in my fridge today, I decided to have it for breakfast, and I'm super excited to eat this now. So I wanted to pop in here really quickly before we go to our workouts to talk about today's sponsor, and I actually can't even believe I'm saying this, but today's video is sponsored by Lululemon. It's just like a dream come true to be able to work with them, so I'm so excited to talk about all of their amazing new products with you guys. If you didn't know, they recently just launched a self-care line, and when I saw that they were launching it, I got so excited. It has in it a deodorant, which comes in 2 different scents, a dry shampoo, a lip balm, and a face moisturizer. So I wanted to talk to you guys about a couple products that I use before the gym, and then also once I get back from the gym, I'll show you guys the products that I use after. So I use the deodorant and the lip balm like all the time. Like deodorant is first thing every morning, and then lip balm, you guys, I use this thing every single day. So basically they tested this lip balm to make sure that it lasts throughout like super sweaty workouts. Something I didn't know is that if you're working out like vigorously, your lips are gonna get really dry too, so it's important to use something that keeps them moisturized and keeps the moisture locked in. This is made with like natural oils and rich butters, so it keeps your lips super soft. It's just like a really nice, easy applicator. If you guys can see, I love applicators like this, especially at the gym, because you don't have to like dig in with your finger or your nail and get it all unsanitary. Like this is so easy, and I use it literally all the freaking time. I definitely recommend checking it out. You can use it before, during, after a workout. Doesn't matter when. Trust me, I use it all day, every day, so I love this. Okay, so the other products that I use every single morning right when I wake up, and then also like right before a workout to make sure I don't smell, is their anti-stink deodorant. It comes in 2 different scents. This one is black pepper sandalwood, and then my favorite is the aloe lotus. It has a very like light scent to it. So the good thing about this is that it's a spray deodorant. I'll just like spray a little bit right now. Like, as you can see, it comes out really fast, and it's a spray deodorant, which is awesome because it like removes the risk of spreading bacteria, and also you can use it with your friends, which is really good. So like if your friend forgets to put on deodorant and you're like about to start a SoulCycle class, you can just give this to them and they can use it. And then another really cool thing about these deodorants is that when you first apply them, it's like a really cooling feeling, which is super nice in the mornings because it wakes me up a little bit. And just so you guys know, they are aluminum free and made with all natural ingredients, which is super important to me. In my gym bag right here, I take this with me when I weightlift at night with my boyfriend. So I'm not weightlifting right now. Now I'm just gonna do the Peloton probably in my apartment complex. But when I do go to the gym, they have all little like gym size ones, and they fit perfectly into this little bag, and I just put it in my gym bag so that way I can have it with me like right after a workout. I can just go into the locker room and use those products. And I also wanted to show you guys quickly in this video, I have a little Lulu haul, which I'm so excited about. They gifted me a couple of pieces and I tried them on and everything, so I'm just gonna go through them quickly. The first one that I have here, these are the tracker short, and these are 4 inches, just in case you guys are curious. I got everything in a size 8. Yeah, this is what these little shorts look like. These are the only thing that I'm not wearing right now, so that's why I wanted to get these out of the way first. But I've been really into just like all black activewear recently, so I just got like mostly black and white in this video. But yeah, this is what the shorts look like. They're super comfortable, and they have underwear built in, which is awesome. I used to be a huge runner. I don't know if you guys know this, like 3 or 4 summers ago, I used to run like 6 miles a day, like that kind of running. So I really want to get back into that. and I love running in shorts, so that's why I decided to pick those up. Then I'm actually wearing a top from them. This is called the Swiftly Tech Crew, and I love this so much. I love the pattern on it. It's just like a really simple black and white stripe where like if I'm really far away it kind of looks gray, but then when you're really close up you can see that it's black and white striped. So also underneath this top I have on a sports bra, and this is called the Ignite bra. I got it in black and I love it so much because it's like a little bit longer of a sports bra, so it's super comfortable just to wear if you wanted to just wear it by itself. And then the last thing that I picked up was their leggings. Oh my gosh, so they're called the In Movement 7/8 legging, and they are the best thing I have ever put on my body. They are so comfortable. They're just like so soft. I even made Fab feel them because I was like, these are the softest leggings in the entire world. So you guys need to get these because they're like the most comfortable thing ever. I literally wore them already like 4 times and I got them not that long ago. So I'm a little embarrassed about that, but like I'm gonna continue to wear them like every day because they're that comfortable. All right, and I guess now let's go get our workout on. I'm so excited to go on the Peloton bike. My apartment complex pays for the membership for it. So I've been trying to do it like every day because it's like if it's free I should get my like uses out of it. So I've been going down quite a bit and it's really nice. Guys, look at my kitties acting all crazy. Oh, I love them so much. They're so cute. So I get so many questions about what pre-workout I take, and I switch it up pretty much like every single month. I try something new out just because I like trying out new things. The one I was previously using was Alani Nu, and I love that one. I had it in Cotton Candy Grape and it was really good. And then this is the new one that I'm using. I don't even know what brand this is. MP Assault pre-workout, and this is in Fruit Punch. Like, look at how pretty. Since my gym is like in my apartment complex, it's really not that far. Instead of taking my pre-workout in the car, I just have it with a straw right before I go down, so that way I don't have to carry one more thing with me. So yeah, I don't always take this before my workouts, but if I'm feeling a little bit tired or if it's a little bit later in the day like it is today, then I'll make it a habit to always take this, so that way I have a ton of energy for my workout. Hi guys, so I just got back from the gym, and before I show you guys my like post-workout routine, I really wanted to show you guys this little sweatband. So I got this on Amazon a while ago, and since I like just got back into working out and everything, I've been using it a lot more. So what I did was I ran a 1.5 miles, but I was on the treadmill for like 20 minutes, so I did a little bit of walking too as a warm-up, and then I just did a 20 minutes like pretty high intensity Peloton workout. So there's not really too much for me to film when I'm doing that because it's just like running in the Peloton, and plus somebody else came in there with their personal trainer, so I couldn't really film too much because it's a really small gym, so people would be like, what is this girl doing? And then also with it, I put this on my stomach before I put the wrap on. It's by the same brand. This one is the coconut kind, and it makes me sweat so much. So I got this on Amazon. If you guys are interested, I think it's really cool. Like, I don't know if you guys can see, but you guys, I don't know if you can see all the sweat that is on this thing because it's all black, but it's literally dripping with sweat, and that's how much it makes you sweat on your stomach. So yeah, love that. But now I'm back to my usual form. We're in my bathroom now, and like I said before, I normally do like cardio in the morning by myself, and then at night once Fab gets home from work, that's when we do like weightlifting and we go to like an actual gym, not just our apartment gym. So Your girl pays her own water bill, and I'm not trying to take like too long of showers, so I like to use products that allow me to not have to like wash my hair in the shower and stuff like that, so that way I can just take like a quick 5-minute body shower and be good. So the first thing I have to do when I get home is wash my face right away, so that way I can prevent breakouts. I love this one from Clean & Clear. What is this called? Daily Pore Cleanser. I've been using this a lot recently, and I really like it because it makes my skin feel so smooth and clean. So that's always the first step, is washing my face. So something I didn't know is that once you're done working out, your skin actually loses a lot of hydration because you're sweating so much. So like it makes sense that you would lose moisture in your skin. Something you want to do like right away after workouts is apply moisture back into your skin. And I love the Lululemon Sweat Reset Face Moisturizer. This is awesome because it has a triactive formula, so it cleans, hydrates, and calms your face, because like your skin can get really flushed after workout like mine is right now. So something like this really helps and specializes in a post-workout moisturizer. You guys can use this daily, morning and night, and also specifically after your workouts. Something that I think is really cool about this product, well, first off, look at how it opens. It's like so extra. I love how it pops up like that, but it has a cooling feeling to it, and it's also super lightweight, so it allows the heat to escape your face, because if you're like me, like you sweat a lot during your workouts, so it's nice to have something like this that isn't too heavy and lets your skin still breathe while also moisturizing it. So yeah, I love this stuff. It has a little bit of a tingling feeling, you might notice, but that's like part of the cooling effect, so don't be too scared by that. Also, just so you guys know, it has pomegranate enzymes in it, which helps clear your skin over time, which is awesome. Okay, now we have to tackle my hair. So one thing, you guys always ask me how I grow my hair out. Like, I don't know if you can see, but it's getting really long. Like, the longest piece of hair goes down to like below my boobs, which for me is really long. I never used to have long hair, and my biggest tip is to not wash it as much and to not put as much heat on it. So that's how I keep my hair like looking and feeling nice, is not doing as much to it. So I love using the Lululemon No-Show dry shampoo. What's awesome about this is that it actually gets more effective over time that you use it. So the more days out of the week that you use it, the more your hair will be less oily after a workout. This one is clear for all my brunettes out there, if you guys are wondering. And by the way, it is also aluminum free. So I'll show you guys how I use it. You just shake it up a little bit, and then just take it about like 6 inches away from your head and spray it on. It actually smells really good too, which is nice because it'll give your hair a nice smell. And then I just run my fingers through my hair. So I'm sure you guys can see it literally brings back so much volume into my hair. I have naturally like pretty flat hair, but like especially after a workout, it just gets so gross. So if you can see, like there's so much more volume in my hair, plus it smells so good. And it literally looks as if I didn't even just work out. Like look at the roots of my hair, you guys. It's insane how much it like takes the oil completely out of your hair. So like if you are in the gym and then like right after you have to go grocery shopping, this is the perfect product because it like literally brings your hair back to life after a workout. It's insane. I'm gonna leave a link down below to all of the Lulu products that I talked about in this video, including the clothes, all the products, the lip balm, the face moisturizer, the deodorant, and the dry shampoo. You guys need to try out their new self-care line because it's amazing. I truly love it from the bottom of my heart. I think the products are so awesome, and I love how they're meant for working out and sweating and everything like that. They've all been sweat tested, so they're meant for this. They're not just like regular products that you use post gym. They're literally meant for post gym. It'll be right at the top of my description box down below. You guys need to try them out, and thank you to Lulu for sponsoring this video. Okay, so now that I have all of that squared away, I'm going to take a quick body shower, probably about 5 minutes or less, and after that I really want to show you guys some of my gym essentials, like things that I always bring in my gym bag. So yeah, that's coming after I take a quick shower. Okay, so I just made myself a post-workout meal. This is going to be my lunch for the day, and it's kind of like a Chipotle at home. So you guys saw I did rice, chicken, corn, salsa, sour cream, a little bit of Mexican cheese, and banana peppers. I wanted to show you guys I have pre-made rice always in my fridge. I just make basmati rice with water. It's super simple, and I always have some of that in the fridge for Fab and I to have, just that way it's easy and quick. You don't have to always make your rice fresh. It's just like way easier that way. I also added a little bit of lime to the rice. And yeah, this is pretty much like, besides the banana peppers, of course, because they don't have that at Chipotle, that's like my Chipotle order. If I could buy the Chipotle hot salsa in bulk, I would, because I think it's the best ever. But since I can't, I make do with the salsa that I have. But yeah, this is my post workout meal. I'm so excited to dig in. This will fill me up for so long. Thought I'd also show you guys that immediately after I stopped recording, I mixed everything together just like I would with my normal Chipotle, so it doesn't look nearly as pretty as it did before. Not that it did before, but like before it looked a little bit better. Now it just looks like a mess. It's just a lot better to make it at home because you know exactly how much of everything you're putting in and like what you're putting in. So I love making this at home, and honestly I think it tastes even better.